Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard lag problem on Android. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it helpful. Shout out to my 658 subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to your phone setting. Locate and click on apps and notifications. Click on see all apps. Now scroll down and locate Gboard. That is it right there, Gboard. In some phones like Samsung phones, it might be written as Samsung keyboard, so it might be Gboard, while in some keyboard. Just locate the phone keyboard. In this case, it's called Gboard. Once you locate it, click on it. Now, click on Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Also click on Clear Data. And boom friends, by doing this, your keyboard lag problem will be automatically fixed. To confirm, go over to either message or your chat and click on the keyboard. Let's check. And as you can see, it's now fast. As you can see, the problem has been fixed. That is all for this tutorial, friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.